Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is the 19th May 2024. In this video, let us find the stocks having a bullish and bearish trade setup for swing or positional income trades. They are nothing but a monthly income trade and a weekly income trade. And also at the end of the report, let us generate stop buffers based on daily ATR. Even before that, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training videos are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. And from our channel, click on this community tab. The moment you click on this community tab, you will get access to this post. This post is having a link, a YouTube link that will take you to all the training videos. You just click on this link. I'm clicking on this link. Now we are getting into a playlist called Supply Demand Zone Price Action course. In this playlist, we have only the training videos. You just scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in that channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we will provide an update. Even any other important updates also we will provide in the Telegram channel. Now let's get into the report generation. The first report is a bullish trade setup for monthly income trade. For monthly income trade, entry time frame is a daily. For bullish trade setup, entry zone should be demand zone. And in this bullish or bearish trade setup parameter, in daily time frame, that is entry time frame, you need to select the value bullish. Apart from that, we need to set three filters. The first filter is we don't want pierced zones. For that, there is a filter called pierced count, the last parameter in this page. In daily time frame, set minimum value 0, maximum value 0, which indicates a pierced count should be 0. If pierced count 0 means the zone is not pierced. And the second parameter, zone achievement should be always a violated opposing zone, VOZ. And a minimum order enhancer score should be 12 for bullish or bearish trade setups. And all the three filters, the pierced count, zone achievement and minimum order enhancer score, all these three filters will be applied to only entry zone, that is demand zone, in daily time frame. So that means the daily demand zone only these filters will be applied. You have to remember this point. Suppose if I select supply zone, filters will be applied to daily supply zone. Suppose if I change 75 minutes, the filters will be applied to 75 minutes demand zone. That is the way you need to understand. Okay, now anyway, we have selected a daily demand zone. So filters will be applied to daily demand zone. Now let us generate the report. So this is the filtered list. Let me scroll down. In case if you want to refer any of these zones, just pause the video. Because I'll be giving you only few seconds time. Each time when I move on to the next page or next report. In case if you are not aware of how to read all these columns, how to understand their values, please complete our training video, lesson 21.1, that is part 1 of lesson 21. In that video, I have explained each and every column in detail and their abbreviations and all these columns. Also explained how I drawn zones in TradingView by taking the leg in timestamp and leg out timestamp and the number of base candles. Okay, let me scroll down. Scroll this list down. So total 27 stocks are filtered. All these 27 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup. But remember, you should not blindly take trades based on this. You should also ensure there is a minimum RR is available And also you should make sure order flow is available till 5 minutes. That means fine-tuned 5-minute zone should be there. Otherwise zone will be violated. You know when a zone will be violated, you already learned. When you know a zone will be violated, how can you take a trade in that zone? So that's why. So the checklist, what you learned in lesson 20, please follow the checklist. And then the satisfied stocks you can again plan. Suppose you don't want to trade tested zones, remove those stocks. Only the test count 0 is there. Rejection count, test count, all 0 should be there. Select such kind of stocks. Those people who don't want to take. Some people, they know how to plan a trade even in the tested zones, the high liquidity zones. Those people can plan your trades second time or third time depending on the zone and whatever the rules, because every day we are discussing high liquidity zone analysis. So this is about a bullish trade setup. Now let me generate the bearish trade setup. I am going back for daily time frame. Now I am selecting supply zone. The reason is for bearish trade setup, entry zone should be supply zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup, in daily time frame, instead of bullish, now I am selecting bearish. And all the three filters are same. Already the values are set. So we are reusing them. But this time these values are applied to the supply zone, daily supply zone, because entry zone is the supply zone. So let me generate the report. 3 stocks are filtered. So this is about bearish trade setup for monthly income trade. Now let us generate bullish and bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. For weekly income trade, entry time frame is 75 minutes. For bullish trade setup, entry zone should be demand zone. And in bullish or bearish trade setup, this time in 75 minutes time frame, I am selecting the value bullish. And the filters also we will set. First filter is we don't want 75 minutes pierced demand zones. So in the pierced count, in 75 minutes time frame, minimum value I set 0, maximum value 0, which indicates pierced count should be 0. That means zone is not pierced. And zone achievement should be VOZ, violated opposing zone. And the minimum odd enhancer score 12. Now all these 3 filters are applied to 75 minutes demand zone. Now let us generate the report. Now 20 stocks are filtered. These 20 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for weekly income trade. Okay. Now let us generate bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. I am going back. Entry time frame is 75 minutes for weekly income trade. For bearish trade setup, entry zone I am changing to supply zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup, in 75 minutes time frame, I am selecting the value bearish. And all the 3 filters they remain same, but this time they are applied to 75 minutes supply zone. Now let me generate the report. 3 stocks are filtered. And these 3 stocks are supporting bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. And in the final report, let us generate the stop buffers based on daily ATR. So this is the daily ATR. And 15% ATR you have to use it for monthly income trade. 10% ATR you have to use it for weekly income trade. And the first 17 in this list are indices, sectorial indices, remaining all are equity stocks. So what I do, I keep on scrolling this list down, whichever the stock you want to refer, there you please pause the video. So this is the complete list. Hope this information will be helpful to you. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.